America. Welcome to Independence Day celebrate. The day of the 5th August 1947 has remained in the golden history of India. It is the day when India got its freedom from 200 years of British rule in which was hard and long strongly in which many freedom the fighters and great men the sacrificed their lives. For all the beloved motherland, India celebrate its Independence Day on the 5th August every year. This year, Independence Day celebrate within the Visit Bharat Kumar, Visit Bharat, which the men developed India. This time, the Indian government designed to transform the country to develop the nation by the 2047, which will be the 100th anniversary of India Independence Day. Independence Day 2024 reminds us of all the